Hello guys, in this quick video I will show you how to use OP Auto Clicker. Open up any browser and type OP Auto Clicker download. Let's go to the first official link that says opautoclicker.com. On this page, just go ahead and click on download. Your download will start shortly. That's fine. Specify the download location and click save. The little OP Auto Clicker has been downloaded. Let me show you another quick method. If you open up the Microsoft Store and search for OP Auto Clicker. You could also download and install OP Auto Clicker from the official Microsoft Store. Once downloaded, let's go ahead and quickly install it. If I double click on Auto Clicker XE, it's open up the Auto Clicker quickly in front of me. Now let's see how to use it. Under the click option, you could simply choose which mouse button you want to use, left, right, or the middle. Then you could choose the click type, either you want it to single or double. And here under click repeat here or the number of repetition, you could set the number of repetition according to your requirement. And the second option you have is repeat until stop. Repeat until stop option makes the program keep clicking indefinitely until you manually stop it. Now here we have the click interval time between each click. You could set it hours, minutes, seconds, or the milliseconds. And here we have it randomly set it to 100 milliseconds. The next option we have for the cursor position is current location or pick a location. If you select pick a location and then click over it, you could simply go ahead and pick any location here. Or if you could go back and we could also set up current location back. Now here you have the start or stop button that is set to F6. Right here we have the hotkey setting. If you want to change this button to any other button, just click on start stop and click here and then press any key and then OK. Now we have set up D button to start or stop. And lastly, here we have the record and playback menu. You could just go ahead and click this red button to start recording, and then you could stop recording by pressing Ctrl plus 3 button. Or you could just click here back to stop the recording, and then you could go ahead and click the green button to play back the recording you did already. You also have normal option. Press Ctrl 1 for the playback and press Ctrl plus 3 to record it again. So that's it about today's quick video on how to use OP Clicker. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.